In this video, we're going to show you how to plant a cactus cutting from start to finish. Whether you have taken your own cutting or have received one in the mail, this video will take you through the process of planting that cutting so that it grows into a healthy, mature cactus. Before we delve into the planting process, it's essential to understand the true primary types of cactus cuttings: tip cuts and mid cuts. Tip cuts are taken from the top of the cactus and generally have a greater chance of success. Mid cuts, on the other hand, are taken from the middle or lower portions of the cactus and can be a bit trickier to root, but are a viable option if tip cuts are unavailable. Make sure to keep track of the orientation of the cut so that the bottom end is planted into the soil if you're doing an upright planting. Another important decision to make when planting your cactus cutting is whether to plant it upright or horizontally. Planting a cactus cutting upright is simply potting the plant vertically in the soil. You may plant upright to maintain the cactus' original appearance or to save space. Planting a cutting log style, however, means placing the plant horizontally on the soil. This can be done for aesthetic reasons, to encourage more branching, or give the plant more stability in harsher conditions. Sometimes, cacti will even fall and grow this way naturally, and this method works best with columnar cacti rather than more globular types. Make sure that you have a pot with drainage, soil with plenty of pumice mixed in, and your cactus cutting, whether that be a tip cut or a mid cut. Now let's get into the process of planting a cutting. You may take the cutting yourself, or you may have received a cutting from us. If doing it yourself, you can find steps to taking a cutting in our other video here. Make sure that your cutting is completely calloused to protect the cut ends from moisture and infection. Once you're ready, get a pot with drainage and well-draining soil with plenty of pumice mixed in. Fill the pot partially with soil and place your cutting inside, filling the rest of the space with soil and tapping the sides to settle everything. Now place the potted cutting in a warm, bright location. To plant a cactus cutting log style, follow the previous steps for an upright cutting, but instead place your cutting horizontally on top of the soil. Fill in dirt up to about half of the cutting's height, taking care to place soil around both of the calloused ends. Place this potted cutting in a warm, bright location as well. Allow the cutting to remain dry and avoid watering for 4 to 8 weeks until you observe the first signs of root development. It's important to understand that rooting can take time. Depending on the type of cactus and environmental conditions, it may take several weeks to several months for roots to develop. New growth and change in color in the top portion of your cactus is a good indication that your cutting is rooted and is beginning to grow. Another great way to tell is by gently tugging on the cutting. If you feel resistance and the stem does not easily come out of the soil, it is a good indication that roots have formed and are anchoring the plant. Otherwise, the cutting will easily lift out of the soil as you pull. Only when roots become established, water lightly, then begin to soak and dry in regular, infrequent waterings once the roots have become fully developed. Place your newly rooted cactus in a place with lots of bright light and let it grow. Remember to be patient during the rooting process and provide the right conditions for your cactus to thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or want to share your cactus planting experiences, feel free to leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.